Hello YouTube, today's video is how I got Windows XP Solitaire. You thought it's impossible, but I got it. So how I got it is, I dragged it through my virtual machine, Windows XP, put in these files, two files, the cards.dll and also the sol.exe, the solitaire program. So I'm going to launch it. Oh, but thanks for your XP. We're going to play the game. So here's how you need to do. So you need a virtual machine of Windows XP. You can find these on YouTube. You need an XP virtual machine. Once you have it, I decided to drag it into put these two files into the desktop. It's quite some simple magic. Yes, default, I don't like the Windows 10 Solitaire, but I like the classic. But if I put it into the start menu, it does not allow me. So I have to right click, I pin this start. My solitaire game is somewhere I don't see. Log in. So you need to go to Start My Computer, System 32. Now you need to look for search and type exe solitaire sol file. It's called sol. This is what you need. You need to get Virtualbox Guest Edition for Windows XP or VMware tools if you're using it, but I'm using Virtualbox. And enable drag and drop. As I had enabled the feature. Drag this into here, but I already had it. Then click search again. Then run the search for DLL. So let's imagine if we didn't have this DLL file, the game won't run. You get an error like this. You need cards.dll. So if you type DLL, we already don't need cards. Search for it. This one, and also you need this DLL. Not sure about it. These are the two DLLs you need. Close it, shut down your machine, and now you have it in your main machine. Let's put the cards.dll. If you really don't want to make one, I have one raw file in MediaFire. So let's make a raw file. This is the one. Extract it using WinRAR or 7-zip. And extract this into the computer. Now, enjoy playing solitaire. Note, it is kind of different than what you see in Windows XP. This is 3 simple files you need to get it work. Now, so fun playing this nostalgic game. deal, everything works. But add these 3 files if you want also. So here's what I'm gonna do. Add these 3 into the Windows System 32. Windows System 32. This is what put these files into it here. Just drag it. Or copy, paste it into here. You need admin. Now put the sol. Look for sol. Now this is how to get XP solitaire back. So we're gonna right click, put this into the desktop, and type solitaire. Go to the start menu, see, you need to enable hidden items, program data, start menu. If it isn't, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, it's in the programs. Now, drag, copy, and put it in here. This is what you need to do. Now go to start, you just see solitaire. Solitaire is added, but if you don't see it, it doesn't appear yet. Here's what you need to do. Just Control Shift, kill Explorer, Control Shift Escape, and type Explorer. What's this? I think I used to make this. Now wait for the new setting to appear, to change. That's how to get a Windows XP start menu in Windows 10. Windows 10, 8 XP solitaire. We all like that program. Now we already want to, if it doesn't happen, wait for it to completely load. If it doesn't load, now it loads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.